Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Keto Low Carb Dolma. Today I'll be substituting the rice with one with cauliflower and one with konjac rice. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the keto or low carb dolma. You will need 1 small eggplant peeled and diced, 400 grams of beef stir fry diced, 1 bunch of spring onions sliced, half a cup of parsley chopped, 1/4 cup of light olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt or sea salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of citric acid, half a teaspoon of paprika. You'll need some grapevine leaves, 2 small eggplants, 1 zucchini, 2 tomatoes, and an onion. And for the rice substitute, I'll be using konjac, which is a rice-shaped root vegetable which has 0 carbs. And another batch, I will be using 1 cup of riced cauliflower. For the juice, you will need 2 cups of hot water, 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of citric acid, and 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt or sea salt. And this is how your dolma should look like. I'll try the one with the cauliflower rice, then I'll try the one with the konjac rice, and I'll let you know which one I like. But they both turned out the same shape, so there's no difference in that. That tastes good. Now the konjac rice. Yeah, they both taste the same texture of the rice. I would recommend both of them. Have it with some masta and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone! I like the cauliflower.